this knot you need a minimum of 3 cords. The left hand cord and the right hand cord will be used to knot over the centre cord. These are the working cords and the cord in the centre is the holding cord. And as an additional note, if you want to make the knot thicker in the centre, you can add more cords in the centre. But I would recommend against using only 2, as this acts as a flat cord and can actually distort your spiral. So I'd recommend either using a thicker cord in the centre or using at least 3 cords here. This method of knotting is essentially done by working half a square knot over and over. So the knots spiral around the central cord as you do this. So if you're familiar with square knots, you should find this technique fairly easy. To begin, you want to take the cord on the left and you want to do a 4 pattern over the top of the cord in the centre. And then you want to take the cord on the right, bring it over the top of the cord you just worked. Then you want to go underneath both of these cords here and then pull through. And then rather than finishing off a normal square knot, if you are familiar with the square knot, you want to do the exact same thing again, but obviously this time your cord colour will have changed if you're using 2 different cord colours like me. You can use the same colours, but I just thought for demonstration purposes I would use 2. So again, you want to do a 4, bring the cord on the right over the top of that cord, and then put this one underneath this cross here and pull through. And then you want to do the same thing again, so this is like the first knot you did with this colour, over the top, this one over here, underneath this part, and pull through. And then again, the left hand cord over the centre cord, the right hand cord over the left hand cord, and then underneath the centre of both, and pull through and tighten. And as you're going along, you will notice that it automatically starts to spiral around the centre cord just as you're working your knots. So as you go along, you'll get to a point where it will make it easier if you bring the left hand cord over to the right and then put the right hand cord underneath and over to the left, and then you can just continue working as you were. So again, doing your 4 with the left hand cord, bring the right hand cord over the top of the left, underneath the centre part, and then pull through. And you just want to keep repeating this as many times as you need for whatever pattern you're making, and you could use this method to make necklaces, bracelets or other macrame projects.